it's Anja from Cooking with Plants, and today I'm making a quick and easy blender sauce. This is actually Mojo sauce, which is a red bell pepper sauce from the Canary Islands, and it usually has oil in it, but today I'm making an oil-free version, so that's the only deviation from the original authentic recipe. So all the measurements will be on my website, and also some alternatives that you can do instead of using oil. So check that out on my website at CookingWithPlants.com. For now, let's get into the recipe. Today I'm using my large blender, and I'm adding in 2 red bell peppers, 2 small red chilies, about 5 or 6 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ground up cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coarse Celtic sea salt, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, and next I'm using 4 tablespoons of the canned juice from some cannellini beans. But like I said, on my website I do have some other alternatives if you don't have drained bean juice or chickpea liquid, anything like that you want to use. There are some other alternatives on my website. So 4 tablespoons of that going in. And finally, just a piece of bread. So stale bread would be perfect. If you're gluten-free, just use some gluten-free bread and just tear it into pieces and add that into the blender also. And this is ready to blend up. So after about 1 minute, this is done and all nicely blended. Your sauce is ready to go. You can keep this in a sterilized jar in the fridge for about 1 or 2 months. It keeps really, really well. And traditionally it's served with boiled potatoes, so give that a try. Let me know what you think of it. And I need to taste it. Yum. The kick from the chilies and the garlic, just all those flavors mix absolutely beautifully. So delicious, quick and easy. Go to my website, print out this recipe and give it a try. Join me on Facebook and Instagram as well. I'd love to see you there. And I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now.